In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in n8n. You've reached the point where you've concluded your tasks in n8n, and now it's time to safely exit the system. Logging out is critical not only for maintaining your privacy, but also for protecting your workflow data from unauthorized access. Even with a system as robust as n8n, it's always a good practice to make sure that you properly end your session. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left section of your screen, where you'll find a series of icons. These icons are part of the interface's navigational tools, which are designed to give you easy access to different parts of n8n. Among these icons, look specifically for the gear icon, which sometimes is also referred to as the settings icon. This icon is your gateway to a range of functions and options available in n8n, tailored to help you manage your account and configurations more effectively. Once you've located the gear icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu that offers various selections related to settings and account management. The interface is user-friendly, but it's always good to know what each option is for. Scanning through this menu, you'll notice that the settings are logically categorized, making navigation intuitive and straightforward. However, our focus today is specifically on the option that allows us to sign out. As you review the list of options presented under the settings menu, direct your attention to the sign out button. Clicking this button initiates the sign out process. This step is crucial because it ensures that your current session is safely closed. By doing so, you effectively prevent unauthorized users from accessing your account or any sensitive workflows you might have been working on.